In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing personal data sharing. Now, unlike groups that need to be created and managed by administrators, users have an option as well to share their personal folders to other system users and define the permissions that those users have to then access the contents or the folders themselves. Logged into my Heather account, if I want to share out any of my personal folders, I simply right-click on that folder, so we'll select our calendar to start, and use the folder access rights option. From there, I can see any existing people that have access to that folder, as Stephanie does, and the permissions that she has. And I can also add a new person I want to share this folder out to. I have the ability to browse to an address book and select a contact from that address book. We'll select our domain admin account, click OK, then highlight him and define the permissions. And you can set permissions on the folder itself and on the items within the folder. So in this case, that would be the calendar and the events in the calendar. So we'll leave the folder type as read for those permissions, and for the items we'll give write and modify access. Click OK. Then if I go to my domain admin account, you'll notice two things. First, he gets a notification email letting him know that he's been granted read, write, modify access to the events folder by heather@icewarpdemo.com. So you know exactly which folder you've been granted access to, what the permissions are, and who granted you that access. Now, to subscribe to this resource, he simply has to right-click on his root account and use the Add Shared Account option. And you'll find Heather's name already available here under the suggested contacts because the system knows that's a pending share that is ready to be set up. Or you'd also find here anyone who has already shared out a resource with this user in the past. So again, we'll select Heather. We'll click OK. And now if I open up my Public Folders tab, you'll find under the Personal Shares tab a folder for Heather. And if I expand that, you'll find the calendar. Any personal shares that are set up through this method will be displayed under the Personal Shares tab for any of your IceWarp demo domain users. So now if I go into Heather's calendar, go to November, let's go ahead and create a new meeting. To specify a few event parameters. Click OK. You see our new meeting. I jump back over to Heather's calendar now. There she has a new meeting as well. So this is a very powerful and very easy to deploy tool to allow end users to work very efficiently, to collaborate instantly and on the fly without having to worry about any type of administrative interaction. This also reduces admin overhead as well, really empowering the users and giving them the control to work more effectively.